how was it wearing the outfit? Was it heavy for you? About the embroidery and जो लाल आपने दुपट्टा एंड में हमने आप पे डाला था की स्टोरी बताएं मुझे.
I also love this peachy pink color.
अपनी अम्मी का दुपट्टा इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं निकी
Yeah.
like मुबारक सक. Why am I here for this conversation? Mama has been a fashion designer for the last 15 years. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have with me yet again Mama and Mubarak, and we're going to be talking about how she as a designer designed her nikah look. If you guys don't know, Mama has been a fashion designer for the last 15 years and more. And आज हमें वो थोड़ा breakdown देंगी because she even made Mubarak's outfit, or did you just make the koti?
I make the koti.
Made the koti and she made her whole outfit, and mashallah said it was stunning. So take us through the outfit. Let's go from the silhouette. Why short kameez?
Why short kameez? Because the day we were having our nikah, उन दिनों जरा short shirt की थोड़ा सा चल रहा था, एक fashion में था. So I kept that thing in my mind. Then the color, because of the nikah event, it was a nikah and it happened in June, जो कि बहुत एक गर्मी का मौसम था. So I wanted to give it a very cooler effect. तो इसीलिए पूरा outfit I kept white. But एक मुझे color चाहिए था, कहीं मेरा outfit में हो, वरना too white was too bland. So I've seen him wearing this salmon pink t-shirt, so that is his color as well. I also love this peachy pink color. So I chose that pink color for my dupatta, and I made a waistcoat for him to match it with my outfits.
Okay. And what about the embroidery and the dupatta? Take us through that. चलें, short kameez आपने करी. You paired it with a gharara or a sharara.
Gharara pants.
Gharara pants, which were very comfy.
Very comfy.
Yeah, and this was also you restyled them. या आपके एक different outfit की थी या आपने इसके साथ बनाई थी?
नहीं बनाई थी साथ.
You made it. Okay, so you had a short shirt with the gharara pants. Do you go for heels or flats? Heels.
I was wearing heels.
Yeah? And you're still shorter than him.
Yeah, I was
That's
wearing
amazing.
almost 2.5 inches.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And now let's go into the embroidery. I saw कि जो jewelry भी थी, उसके साथ जो neckwork था, sleeve पे काम था, it was very delicately done. Take us through that.
So if you see the jewelry, because अम्मी का एक नौरतन का set था बहुत पुराना, almost like 35-40 years.
माशाल्लाह.
Or maybe more than that. So I wore that. तो अगर आप देखो तो उसमें emeralds और rubies और pearls लगे हुए थे. So मैंने अपने काम के अंदर वही touch of colors, वही colors exactly the same shade I put in my work. So that is how I matched with my jewelry कि वो अलग से ना लगे.
Okay.
So,
And
yeah.
what do you think? Like, do you think sentiment निकाह outfits में लोगों को ज़्यादा focus करना चाहिए? जैसे बहुत लोग अपनी अम्मी का दुपट्टा इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं निकाह में या मेहंदी looks में. Which like event do you think sentiment outfit की value सबसे ज़्यादा होती है?
I think nikah.
Yeah?
Because it's the day that you're signing, that is the
Day.
most important day. Yeah.
Okay.
Nikah mein.
And take us through the dupatta. दुपट्टे पे भी बहुत प्यारी lace लगी हुई थी, and it was salmon pink but done with a very nice gold layer. I feel like Mubarak Sak. Why am I here for this conversation?
सोचा मैं भी दुपट्टे बनाऊंगा.
No, yeah, उसके ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारी लेसें ऐड की थी, because if you remember Ayla, we didn't have that much time.
Yeah, guys.
हमने I think ये outfit 4 से 5 दिन में पूरा complete किया था.
Oh my God.
इतना time नहीं था.
Imagine guys, nikah outfit designer अपनी खुद 4 से 5 दिनों में बना रहे. Like that is a success story in itself. And Mubarak, did you have any choice in the salmon pink you were gonna
No.
wear? Or you were just
She
told?
was just giving it to me. I was like, okay, done.
Perfect, as it should be.
And it looked
So
good.
now we've gone through the dupatta, we've gone through the shirt. Let's go through how was it wearing the outfit? Was it heavy for you? Did you have any?
It was very easy.
Yeah.
Easy breezy outfit it was. I could run in those gharara pants.
Yeah.
And even dupatta was not heavy at all, because मैंने कोई हाथ का काम नहीं किया था. मैंने वो कपड़ा लेके उस पे बहुत सारी लेसेस लगाई थी. So that was the best idea कि जब आपके वो सर पे भी हो,
Yeah.
वो ऐसा ना हो कि आप अपनी गर्दन नहीं हिला सके, आप इधर और उधर नहीं, because I've seen
Brides
brides
suffer.
suffering because of their dupattas and the weight. So it was a very, and it is something कि ये दुपट्टा मैं कल को अपने किसी एक और प्लेन आउटफिट के साथ भी पहन सकती हूँ.
Fair
I can
enough.
always wear it up like.
And वो जो लाल आपने दुपट्टा एंड में हमने आप पे डाला था.
एक सेकंड में ये रिमूव कर दूँ.
And care.
वो कहाँ उसकी स्टोरी बताएं मुझे.
ओके वो जो लाल दुपट्टा हमने एंड में डाला था वो मैंने बनाया था अपनी फैशन वीक के कलेक्शन के लिए.
Oh wow.
Must be easily, it's been over a decade.
Yeah,
that दुपट्टा has
2016 वो मिराल आपने लंदन में दिखाया था.
Yeah. और
I
वो
yeah.
फैशन शो इन मैनचेस्टर
Yeah.
when I was doing वो मैंने वहाँ दिखाया था. तो वो perfect जा रहा था for
Kitna,
everything.
it was so lovely.
हाँ.
And now take the audience through that there is finally an Amna Keel website where you
Yes.
guys can shop this look. And the reason why we did this video is that we don't want कि आप budget की वजह से अपने निकाह डे पे अपनी creativity को sacrifice करें. I feel like हर बंदे को अपना budget सिर्फ देखना नहीं चाहिए but अपनी भी थोड़ी, it's your निकाह, think about what you want. And I think the most beautiful part about what you're doing now on House of Amna Akil is you have your outfit and people can customize it
Yes.
in the same color. You guys can add full sleeves.
And
You
they
guys-
can have a different, like I have kept a peachy dupatta. If somebody wants a red dupatta,
You can
that
change
will
it.
also look very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, you can change it to red, you can change it to maroon.
So
you can change-
customization options बहुत
Yes.
available हैं. You guys can also get the matching coati that Mubarak was
Yeah.
wearing. Match it to your outfit. And यही है कि हमारी जो philosophy है behind House of Amna Akil is giving people quality but in prices that don't make you scream what the beep. So thank you guys so much for coming on, and this was again a shout out video for the outfit which is live. The link is in the bio. You guys can check it out. Shop and happy Shadi season.
Yes.
Great, blessed, alhamdulillah. And I think whatever Allah does for you, it's for your best. So, मुझे तो everything is perfect so far. Yeah.
What you're gonna miss after this moment?
Nothing. She's here.
I'm here. अभी कोई रुखसती नहीं हो रही तो अभी तो ये सवाल बनता नहीं है.
Okay.
6 महीने के बाद ये सवाल पूछोगे.
और जाएंगी कहाँ? 5 मिनट दूरी तो जा रही हूँ ऊपर.
घर भी बहुत ही करीब है.
वहीं है.
So मैं इधर उधर दोनों जगह.
Here, there, everywhere.
Everywhere.
As Ehsan Khan
Here,
says.
there, everywhere.
Here and there.